Today we'll be doing a quick tour of a standard view room at the Paradise Pier Hotel in Anaheim, California, and walking you through their new secret passageway from the hotel to Disney's California Adventure. Good morning! We are headed into the Paradise Pier Hotel here in Anaheim, California, ready for a day at the parks, Disneyland, and Disney's Grand California Adventure. Here we are in the lobby. Goofy! Here we are at the hotel room, and the first thing I see is this awesome coffee station with some tea, Joffrey's coffee, some disposable cups, and a little beverage kit as well. So that is definitely going to come in handy in the morning. Then we've got our king-size bed, followed by a sofa that is a pull-out, a desk, and a nice TV with what's inside here, a safe, and a mini refrigerator, perfect for all those leftovers from the parks. And let's check out what's around the corner over here. We've got an awesome size closet, plenty of space to hang up those clothes, some extra pillows and blankets, and a luggage holder. And then in here we have the restroom and all of the H2O Plus products, of course, and a nice bathtub, which is great for when you've got kids, and a nice shower head, and just perfect for a day after the parks. Let's walk back out and let's go check out our view. Now this is a standard view, so you're going to be seeing a little bit of the parking lot and a beautiful view of the pool. Now on that pool deck too, you will have some viewing access for the fireworks, and they do pipe in the music as well. So that is a really fun, enjoyable experience when you're tired of being at the parks all day and just want to get back. Now this sofa here, as I mentioned, is a pull-out. So when you're ready to retire to bed, you just lift those cushions and pull that tab and you'll have it set up in a jiffy. Now this desk has a removable table underneath that has wheels, so you can move it over to your couch to enjoy your dining, which you can order from downtown Disney to have delivered straight to the lobby. That's it for the basic tour. Now I am going to go head out to the parks. Let's show you the new passageway to Disney's California Adventure. So here we are in front of the Paradise Pier Hotel, and we made a left out of the lobby and down to the crosswalk here at Disneyland Drive. So we'll go ahead and cross the street here towards the Grand Californian. And you could also continue going straight here into the Grand Californian and also enjoy their poolside bar, their restaurants, their lounge, and all of their amenities as well. So as we turn the corner here, you'll see that there is a pathway right next to the Grand Californian gate, and you'll see that it says Paradise Pier Hotel Guests Only. Now there's a door that's clearly marked Hotel Guests Only, and you're going to scan your key card from your hotel room, and that will unlock the door for you. Walk through the gate there and you'll see that there is a pathway that will lead straight to Disney's California Adventure. And along the way, you'll see some sites like Goofy's Sky School up above, some common areas for the Grand Californian, and you'll be able to see what types of views that those rooms get. Now up here, you'll see those balconies. Those are the ones that you will get a theme park view if you did book a room at the Grand Californian. So a lot of times you'll get to see Goofy's Sky School operating and that side of the park there. So here we're walking up to the common area here with a barbecue grill and some seating and tables. And we are practically at the park already. It's such a short walk. There's some more views there from the balconies. And you can see a sign off in the distance already. We are already there at Disney's California Adventure. That was such a fast walk from the lobby to the park, about 10 minutes or less if you're walking leisurely. I highly recommend this entrance if you're staying at the hotel. And it's definitely one of my favorite perks of staying at this particular hotel because being so close to the parks is totally worth it. And they do have security here right around the corner to check you in. And right now, since this is not very well known, there is nobody there. I have not seen anybody use this entrance, maybe but a handful of people. So as we're through security here, we'll go around the corner, down the ramp, and this is where they scan your tickets here at this entrance. And once you're all scanned in, then you can head straight into the parks and start enjoying your day. Definitely my favorite entrance right now into DCA. Look at that. Oh my goodness, just a perfect spot. If you liked watching this video, please be sure to give it that little thumbs up there. And if you'd like more content for Disney, please subscribe to my channel and press the little bell to get notified anytime I post. And I truly hope you have a magical day. Thank you for joining me.